This is example 2. We should sketch the graph of f of x equals 2x minus 1 over x. So following our steps, the first step is find the y-intercept. So find f of 0. And of course, because the x is in the denominator here, that means that it's undefined. Right? You can't find the function value if you're dividing by 0. So there is no y-intercept. Second, find the 0 of the function, meaning find the 0 of the numerator. And if you solve that, 2x minus 1 equals 0, you would get x equals 1/2. So x equals 1/2. Okay, find the vertical asymptote. Well, the vertical asymptote are the zeros of the denominator. And since the denominator is x, the vertical asymptote is x equals 0. So let me add that line to the graph. And then the horizontal asymptote is, because they're both x to the first, then it's the ratio of the coefficients of the highest degree terms, 2 over 1, or y equals 2. So I can draw in this. Okay, that's all the intercepts and asymptotes. And now we need to plot some points. And I'm going to use the calculator to do this. It looks like we should have one piece of this graph which is to the left of the vertical asymptote and one piece to the right. We can see this point, which is probably going to take us somewhere down like that. We should probably fill in a couple more points, like maybe x equals 2 and x equals 4 to give some shape to this thing. And then we need 3 points on the left. So how about x equals negative 1/2, x equals 3, and x equals 5. And I've already loaded the function in the calculator. So let me do it this way. Like say 2 and 4, x equals 2 and x equals 4 would be good, 2 good points. And x equals negative 1/2 and negative 3 and negative 5. How's that? So I'm going to do a thing here to get that so I don't have to keep switching back and forth. I am going to capture that and bring it to our slide. Select all, copy, and then come back over here and paste so that we've got these values right there. How about that? So now I can graph these points. 2, 1.5. 4, 1.75. Negative 0.5, 4. Negative 3, 2.3. And negative 5, 2.2. And I think with those points, we can see the shape of the graph. And then we can confirm it with our calculator because we already have that in the calculator. Let me do a normal zoom on this and see if it doesn't look right. Looks like it has a y-intercept of vertical asymptote of x equals 0. It looks like it has a horizontal asymptote of y equals 2. It has one branch here and another branch there, which looks pretty close to that. So I think we did a good job.